Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The popular actor Jussie Smollett has been found guilty of 5 counts of disorderly conduct for making a false report to the police that he was a victim of a hate crime in January 2019. He was acquitted on 1 count of felony disorderly conduct. The 12-person jury deliberated for 9 hours over Wednesday and Thursday. The former Empire actor was charged with 6 counts of disorderly conduct on suspicion of making a false report to the police. A disorderly conduct charge for a false crime report is a Class 4 felony and punishable by up to 3 years in prison and a $25,000 fine. Prosecutors sought to show that the former Empire actor made false report to the police after paying 2 individuals to carry out a staged hate crime attack against him to garner the sympathy of media coverage. The TV actor, aged 39, had claimed that he was the victim of an alleged racist and homophobic attack in Chicago in 2019. Authorities accused him of staging the attack for publicity, something he has always denied. During the investigation, Jussie Smollett refuses to hand over his phone to the police investigators investigating the crime. They wanted to confirm if the details he provided was true, including the mega reference made, as the actor says he was on his phone talking to his manager at the time of the attack. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.